Hey guys, it's Ashley with Pugs and Pearls, and tonight we are going to be doing an unboxing video. This is the first unboxing that I have done for this particular box. This is called the Glamour Jewelry box. Although it does not come in a box, it does come in just a mailer, but it is a nice kind of like rose chrome kind of like mailer. Just a little bit of history about this. So I had been looking back into subscription services since Sephora Play stopped basically doing that service. So I kind of went down a whole subscription rabbit hole. I was looking at nail subscriptions, I was looking at makeup subscriptions, and then I came across jewelry subscriptions, and I really liked this particular type of style. It's very dainty but elegant, and it seemed like you were getting a lot of really good stuff. I think it comes with at least one necklace, one bracelet, and one earring set. It's $30 a month. You can stop and start or skip whenever you want, so there's nothing like tying you into like a long-term thing. And I had watched a few of these on YouTube, and I really enjoyed what they were getting. And I know right now during quarantine we're not exactly going to work, or most of us aren't physically going to work. I do work in a very office setting. I normally have to be very professional, very put together, and I do like having kind of dainty, appropriate, professional jewelry. And I do love subscription boxes. So this is the Glamour Jewelry box. We're gonna go ahead and open it and see what we get. I believe this is the May box, but I could be mistaken because it did get shipped to me in May. And I believe I signed up like May 1st. So let's go ahead and see what is inside the box or the bag. Okay, and I see right here it comes in a little kind of like drawstring bag. It's actually kind of nice and soft, and we get some cards. So let's see, first off, it looks like it's handwritten to me. It says Ashley, and it says, "Thank you for being a Glamour Jewelry box member and welcome to the family. Something shiny for you has arrived, and it was packed with love just for you. We can't wait for you to try on your jewelry soon. Every single piece you receive is yours to keep." So this is not like one of those services where you have to send anything back or buy it. You bought it for 30 bucks, it's yours. And that says XOXO Jan, the founder of Glamour Jewelry box. Awesome. And it tells you some jewelry care tips, and it also tells you where you can go on Instagram or Facebook at theglamourjewelrybox.com. Very cool. And then we get one more card. This just says, "Spring is in the air. We hope you are staying safe and healthy at home. This month's jewelry will bring a smile to your face, and this collection is perfect for those virtual calls as a fun way to dress up and look your best because you deserve it." That's actually really cute because it's very relevant at this time. So we're going to go ahead and without any further ado get into this box. Okay, again, some more paperwork. Let's see what we have. Okay, oh, it tells you what each piece is and I guess what brand it is. So we have the Melrose Earrings, the Rylee Necklace, and the Division Street Cuff. So we will read about this, and I do think if you guys like anything and you just want to buy it straight from the site, there are prices on there, so I think you can just go purchase it. So let's start there. Oh my gosh, so I did get to pick a few of my items to start off my box, and I wanted these in particular. I have been really obsessed with tassel earrings, so I'll show you up close. I went to Mexico City about a year ago for just a vacation, and I had such an amazing time, and tassel earrings were like all the rage down there. And I also noticed that Frida Kahlo had always like worn like big tassel earrings as well, and I have been looking for a neutral set, and this is perfect for work. It has kind of like that rock, really pretty like jewelry on top, and then it has the cute little like nude pink tassels. I think that is super adorable. So let's read what this one is. These are the Melrose Earrings. They are lightweight tassel earrings. They showcase a gorgeous, it's called Druzzy stone, making these the ideal accessory to dress up your outfit for day or evening. They will be a pair you'll reach for again and again, and their retail price is $27, and they're from the Laurel Rose collection. So I didn't put any jewelry on because I knew we were going to do it for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on, which again, I have not been wearing any jewelry at all, but I know I will absolutely wear this for work. I mean, this is just something super cute. I feel like it's neutral. It's going to go with like a lot of work stuff. and I was just really excited, and I got to pick this, like I said. I think you can just get random stuff put in the box, but I do think, especially when you start, I know I picked the bracelet too, I think. So we'll do that one next because I kind of know what that one looks like, but I did not pick the necklace. So this is, again, just a simple piece. It's a cuff, and I picked gold. I think they will potentially send you silver, rose gold, or gold, but I think you can kind of select what you prefer. This, again, is just a very, you know, simple but elegant piece. So it's just kind of like this cross of two different bands, and it has some texture to it. So we'll go ahead and put that on, and again, you just kind of slide it on. And I think that's like super elegant, like just very easy, very basic, goes with a lot, but it's dainty and very delicate. So let's see what that one is. This is the Division Street Cuff. This sleek and modern cuff pairs perfectly with any style. The Division Street Cuff is as chic as classic, and making it a jewelry box staple. It retails for $26. It's also from the Laurel Rose collection. So I was like really happy with those. Again, I got to pick them out. I did not get to see what the necklace is, so that is truly a surprise for this month. And it's a very dainty piece with some some stones. Again, I think I did pick gold, or at least that's what I prefer to get. So here we go. Give you guys an up close. It's just very small. It has a circular, and there's some, again, some just, you know, looks like some fake diamond stones in there. Really dainty. Let's go ahead and put it on. I honestly, like, I don't know, like, I just thought this would be fun to try. I don't know how long I'll do this subscription box service for. Obviously, like, I don't want to spend, like, a ton of money on jewelry, but I do really like having pieces that I can wear with a lot of stuff. So like all of these pieces I could wear with different outfits. They could go with a ton of things, and they're just kind of, again, they're dainty, they're chic, they're elegant. I really, really like the style of this box. I'm really happy with my first box. I know a few people on YouTube that I've watched their videos, so they do share what they get, and I think it's the same thing. I don't think there's a different variety, but I could be wrong. Again, this is my first one, so I'm still learning about it. Again, this is the Glamour Jewelry box, $29 a month, so it really comes out to like $30 with shipping. But so far, I'm really happy with my first one, and I'm going to keep doing it until, again, I have enough pieces or I feel like I'm not getting what I want. But very happy, very pleased. I hope you guys enjoyed this first unboxing on my channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will chat with you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.